Get code faster with extensions. React hook snippets. Avoid type error. And save time by generating hook. Code with short, memorable commands. Perfect for developers working with React and beyond who want to streamline hook implementation. ES7 React, Redux/GraphQL/React Native Snippets. This extension provides a massive library of snippets for React, Redux, GraphQL, and React Native. Quickly generate functional components, class components, imports, and more with simple abbreviations. Boost your productivity and reduce errors by automating common coding patterns. Ideal for developers who want to write clean, consistent code faster. Please don't forget to subscribe. VSCode React Refactor. Extract selected code into reusable React components. Improve code organization and maintainability by breaking down complex components into smaller, manageable pieces. Automatically handles prop passing and TypeScript type handling, ensuring a smooth refactoring process. This makes cleaning up large components very easy. SVG Gallery. Preview SVG files directly within VS Code, eliminating the need for external viewers. Quickly browse and select SVG icons and graphics for your React projects. Improve your workflow by having a visual overview of your SVG assets right in your editor. Makes working with SVG icons much easier. Simple React Snippets. Offers a simpler, more lightweight alternative to the larger snippet packs. It focuses on the core React patterns and provides concise snippets for basic component creation and common React elements. Ideal for developers who prefer a minimal set of snippets or are working on smaller React projects. Path Intellisense. Auto-completes file paths within your React projects, making it easier to import components, images, and other assets. Reduces typos and speeds up the process of importing files, especially in larger React projects with complex file structures. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and on the notification bell when next I upload new videos.